What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology again. So today I'm gonna talk about Neo4J tutorial, and in the last tutorial, which was tutorial 19, I already did talk about like how we can create node using how we can create node properties using some sort of variable or parameter. So now we are talking about the same thing, but we'll enhance this thing, or we'll create some sort of like more advanced like way of doing it using some sort of CSV like file. For example, we're having this file and there are three things: name, department and city. We'll try to create three different nodes with all these properties. Okay, so and I will directly read the file and I'll try to create this thing. Okay, so I'll use the standard Neo4j parameterized method of creating like node properties, and I'll also use on top of that like Python things like loop, CSV libraries and all. So for first thing first, like it is going to be like from Neo4j import graph database, and we'll use like import CSV, these two things. So next thing is driver object. Driver is going to be graph database. Guys, I can copy paste this part, but I'm just doing this thing so that you guys can understand and you guys should not forget this thing in the future. So I'm doing this because of you. Some of you is thinking that I'm just wasting time. No, the more you practice, the more you understand. Okay, so auth, then like this. So then our bold protocol address and Neo4j, and then okay, then we'll create session is equals to driver dot session. Okay, now the query, now the fun part. So it was like same like last time, or like create n %. Okay, and we'll have three different parameters. So first thing is name is going to be dollar name, then is depth is going to be dollar depth, or we can make it like department, and last thing is city, dollar city. Okay, and this. Okay, so this is our Cypher query, and we are having this sort of variable. Okay, and why this thing like name, department, city? So that is why. So now the main part will read from some sort of like will not read, we'll actually try to read from the CSV file and create our dictionary. Like I'm referring to the tutorial 19. So guys, please watch my tutorial 19 for the same series. You will understand what is the basic building blocks, or what is the basic behind this thing. So first thing first, so with open data.txt as f1, then or let's say data equals to csv dot reader f1, and delimiter equals to this. Okay, now we'll create I equals to 0. Okay, now for row in data. Okay, so now we'll try to create like if I greater than 0. I'm just neglecting or like avoiding the this thing header, that's why it is I greater than 0. So now we are creating some sort of dictionary. So x is going to be like this. So what is going to happen now? So our name, because we have $name, so variable name is name, and this is key, this will come as a key. So this is going to be like row 0, right? Okay, then the next thing is our city or department. This next is depth, department is depth. So depth is going to be row 1, and the last thing is city. Is row 2. So in this way you have we created our dictionary object. Okay, so 0 1 2. Okay, now we'll have some sort of like list v is list variable, just like this. So v dot append is x. So we are creating one list, and here I equals to I plus 1. So let me just try to print the v first to check whether it is taking all values or not. So let me run this thing. Okay, so name is Vicky, department is IT, city yes. So we got our list. So now the final thing, which is like kind of like session dot run. So our query is going to be like q1, and we need to run this thing. So for that thing we need to loop through this thing. So for j in range length of v, right, because we need to iterate through this list, and this is going to be like vi. So for every element in the list, so this is v0, this is v1, and this is v2, the element of the list. So for vi means first time it will iterate through and run this thing, so like this. So let me check whether we have anything in our list or not. Sorry, not in our Neo4j database. No, we have nothing, so we can run this thing now. List index out of range, I'm not sure. Okay, sorry for that. This should be j, not I. It's terminated, means it is executed successfully. Let me check this thing. Okay, it's Vicky, Daisy, Rohit. So everything is created successfully. So Vicky, Daisy, Rohit. So guys, this is how we can read from CSV and like create nodes as much as you want. You can have this thing 1,000, millions, whatever you want, and it will be depending on the processing speed of your computer. The processing speed will be that fast, but this is the basic building blocks of creating like Neo4j nodes using some sort of variable, and that variable has to be constructed from some sort of like data stream or CSV or anywhere. So in case of real life application or the real world application, this is the ideal scenario of like feeding your database. So user gives some input from the UI, and UI has to be fetched in the backend, or some sort of you are getting some data, some sort of JSON stream or kind of XML thing, whatever. So this is the basic building blocks of creating Neo4j nodes parameter based on some sort of dynamic variable or parameterized operation. So that's all guys. Try to use your own logic or your own use case to create more of more like this. this is actually going to help you. I can just give you the basic or the intuitive or kind of conceptual reasoning behind each and everything, but I'm not going to help you that you should do this thing, you should do that thing. One thing, and I can only tell you, try to do your own or start writing your own code. This is definitely help you, and after that if you have any difficulty or any problem, you can come back to me. But until and unless you are not writing your own code, this is not going to help you. You can watch my video 10 times, million times, 1000 times, but this is not going to help you until and unless you are going to write your own code after watching my videos. So you will definitely forget. If you are just only watching my videos, not writing your own code or practicing, you will definitely forget. So this is humble request and recommendation. Please try to write your own code. And also I'll be there always. If you have any problem, suggestion, feedback, if you want some other tutorial, just do let me know. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep watching our video and subscribe to our channel. Share our videos with your friend, and if someone is new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you should not miss the notification or important updates regarding video and all. So that's all guys, take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow.